It is December on 2011, and this is one of my first nighttime Tron videos with this HD camcorder. Trons are fucking cool. This is the Hiwatha light wheel Tron. It's exciting to make a video of a Tron. And there's downtown murder. Well, not quite yet. And there's downtown Murderapolis over there. Trons are fucking cool, and it's exciting to make videos of Trons now living somewhere where there's Trons to ride. Although the Metrotrons in the Chicago area are better because they have green tinted glass on their Trons, and that's fucking cool. I wonder if there's going to be another Tron. I'll wait for the next Tron.